day is it today? Oh yeah, today we're going on our camping trip. Sister, sister, sister! Oh, what? It's early in the morning. Today is our camping trip! Oh yeah! Oh my god. Okay, let's get dressed. Okay, yeah, but we have to wake up Mom first. Okay. We're gonna shout at her in 3, 2, 1. Mom, wake up! Oh, what do you want? It's early in the morning. Oh my gosh. Today's a camping trip, Mom. Oh yeah, come on. Kids, go get dressed, up and pack. I'll get ready and make breakfast, okay? Okay, Mom. Okay, I'm just gonna wear something today. I'm gonna wear this. I always wear this. Never change. Put in my suitcase. And what is this outfit? Just gonna bring it anyways. Okay, now I'm gonna look it up. Oh, I want it closed. Oh my gosh. Okay, there you go. Okay, now I'm gonna go get my stuff. I'm gonna wear the this today, I guess. Actually, I'll wear the same thing as yesterday, and I'm gonna pack it in my suitcase. I'm gonna pack these two in my suitcase. Oh yeah, I can't forget my sleeping mask. Come on, let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna wear this, and I'm gonna pack these two. I'm gonna get my morning glasses and my phone. Oh yeah, I forgot to return the kid's phone. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna put my accessories in. They won't fit, so I'm just gonna wear one. Okay, now I'm gonna zip my suitcase, and I'm all ready. Okay, I also have to give back the kids their phones. Okay, now I'm just gonna take, oh, I think the kids are coming. Okay, let's go. Hey, Mom. Yeah, honey? Can you give us our phones back? Yeah. Oh, sure, I have them in here. Here you go. Thanks, I'll just put it in my suitcase. Okay, now I'm just gonna seal it up. Okay, everything's done. Let's go. I'll make breakfast. You guys can eat at the second floor. I'll drop you guys off. Okay. Actually, we'll go down with you. Okay. Actually, we'll go down. Actually, we'll go down with you. Okay. Oops, I think we went to the wrong floor. Let's go back up to the second floor. I think that's where the kitchen is. Yeah. I think this is where the kitchen is. Oh yeah, your breakfast. I made you guys pancakes. This looks tasty, Mom. Yeah, really good. I can't wait to eat them. Thanks. Just put your stuff on the couch, okay? Okay. Enjoy your breakfast. I'm just gonna go. Go where, Mom? Aren't you gonna eat? No. I already ate before you guys. But we woke up earlier than you. Well, I ate at 5 a.m. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. The food is really good, Mom. Yeah, it's really good. Thanks. Now get your stuff and we'll go to the van. All right. Let's go. Let's go to the van. I'm so excited for this trip. Me too. I think it's gonna be really fun. Okay, kids, you can put your stuff over in this little compartment. I'm gonna start the van or whatever. Okay. Okay, let's move. So what should we do first? I don't know. Maybe we can play something. Okay. Actually, I'm just gonna put this on auto draft. It knows where to go. Ugh, kids, are you in that stupid phone again? We're just playing, Mom. Yeah. Well, you're always on that stupid phone anyways. You don't give me those phones. Ugh, whatever. I have to take it away from you. Oh, what are you gonna do now? I don't know. I guess let's try and do something. Yeah. What's this? Oh. These kids. Always on their phones, scrolling on TikTok, playing Roblox. I can't believe these children. You know, I'm just gonna go here and just watch. Just so that nothing bad happens. Oh, what are we gonna do now? Wait, what is that? What is that? Yes, it's a tablet. Hope Mom doesn't see this. What's on it? Whoa. So many fun games. Whoa, this is so cool. It has so many games. Yeah, we can use it, but make sure Mom doesn't know we're using it. Yeah. Let's see. Let's hide over here. Let me close the curtains so that Mom doesn't see. What game should we play? What game should we play? I don't know. Let's play this, okay? This is so fun. I know. Let me lower down the volume. What are the kids doing? I haven't heard them talk or anything. I'm gonna go check on them. Where are they? Hey, what you doing there on the tablet? I thought I told you you can't use any gadgets. Oops, I think she caught us. Yeah. Why are you guys on the tablet? I told you not to. I said no gadgets. Give me that. Oh man. We almost had our chance. That game was so fun. Yeah, I don't even know the name of it. We should try and download it. We almost had the chance to play games and not be bored. Yeah. Well, we have to do something else. Okay, let's just sit down and do nothing, I guess. Well, I see a ukulele there. Maybe we can play it? Do you know how? I think. Maybe we can try. Okay. Ugh. Not this tablet. Where do you even get that? How do I close this thing? Oh. Well. That's actually really good. I didn't know you could play a ukulele. I don't know, I just tried to. Is that a ukulele or a guitar? I have no idea. Sounds like a ukulele. Okay, yeah, my hands are tired. Oh. Well, what do we do now? I don't know, just sit here and do nothing. Oh, I'm bored. I might as well just sleep. Garo, don't forget to change into your pajamas. Oh yeah. I'll give you privacy. Okay. You don't make him close. Okay, now I'm gonna go to bed. Chair also changed. I'm also kind of sleepy. A few minutes later. Oh, that nap was good. Oh, we woke up at the same time. What a coincidence. Yeah. Let's go. I want to stay in my pajamas. Kids, don't stay in your pajamas. They're gonna get dirty for tonight. Ugh, fine. Let's go. You can change first. Go change. What do we do now? I don't know. Oh my gosh, is that a boba shop? Fine, we can get some. Let's go. Yay! Stop the car! Let's go off. Your sister wants boba. Do you want to stay in the car? Sure, I'll stay in the car. Okay, let's go. Hey! Huh. Which one do you want? I want... Hurry up! Okay, I want that yellow one. Actually, no, can I have the pink one? Okay, and I'll just have tea, please. Just normal tea. Okay. Tea, large or medium? I have large. Coming right up. Enjoy. Thanks. Huh. Come on. Wait a minute. Ugh, what do you want, brother? You didn't get me one. How dare you! Here, you didn't come with us, so you didn't get one. Okay, just sit down and shut up. Fair. Huh. Whoops. Hurry up, let's just go. Bro, shut up. Here, I'll make you something. Here's some tea in it. No, I don't want this. I want the bubble tea. I want the bubble tea. Bro's literally crying over bubble tea. I'll just drink it then. I'll put this away. Oh, we're almost there. Girl, sit down. Oh, we're here. Almost. How many more minutes? Only 5 more minutes, sweetie. Let me put this away. Good thing it's always on that. 5 minutes later. Okay, we're here. Finally, I can barely stand it. Let's go out. Okay. Take all your stuff. Oh, of course I gotta bring the bug spray and the medical kit. Here, hold on. Let me spray it with bug spray first. Oh, okay. Okay, that's enough. Let's go. Wait, before you go, let's actually bring our stuff. Okay. Our phones! No, you're not taking your phones. Get your stuff. Don't forget our tumbler and this water bottle thing. Let's go. We're so packed. Finally. It's so peaceful here. Oh, it's already set? Yeah, I already set everything for you guys. Guys, can you please find water for us? Hold on. Wait, hold on. Yeah, it's stuck there. Okay. This place is actually really cozy. I love it. Yeah, I thought it's actually better than I thought it was. And it's not even stinky. I knew you guys would like it. Well, can you guys go find some water while I make the food? Sure. Oh wait, our tumbler. Here. Okay, I got this kid some food. What the heck was that? I don't care really. I'm gonna put it right here for the kids to. Just gonna stay here for a while. Where do you even freaking find water? I don't know. What is this thing? Useless. What? I'm scared. Oh, here, water. Finally. Right, we got water. Sounds super scary. Let's go. So scary. I keep bringing us back. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what happened? What? Why are you crying? I'm so scared. Oh, I didn't want to go. Well, okay, just go eat your food. I made you something to eat. And some food for tomorrow. Here's some marshmallows. I'm literally freaked out right now. Tell me the whole story. How did you get so scared? I don't know. I just don't like the wild. Oh. Okay. This is really good. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Water. Water. Drink. Help! Help! Oh my gosh, what happened? Are you okay? Spidey. So Spidey! Ah! Oh yeah, I think I accidentally put a little bit of chili powder. What did you just say? Ah! Here, have some more water. I feel so much better. I'm never eating ever again. I'm so tired. Well, let's go inside and get ready for bed. Okay. Can we sleep inside? No. If we're gonna sleep inside, what is the whole point of this trip? To just stay inside? Can we get our phones back? No. Oh, whatever. I'm just gonna sit here. Oh wait, put our suitcases down. Get my sleeping bag. Get into my sleeping bag. Okay, good night, guys. Good night. Thank you guys for watching so much. I hope you have a great day or night. I just want to say thank you all, and